Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution is 4 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x equal to 25 to the power of x. Divide by 25 to the power of x on both sides. 4 to the power of x by 25 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x by 25 to the power of x equal to 25 to the power of x by 25 to the power of x. We are going to use the formula that a to the power of n by b to the power of n equal to a by b whole power n. We are going to apply this formula here. So 4 by 25 whole power x plus 10 by 25 whole power x equal to this 25 to the power of x and 25 to the power of x will get cancelled. So we have 1. This 4 can be written as 2 square by 5 square whole power x plus 10 by 25 power x equal to 1. You know the formula that a power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power n. We are going to use this formula here. So the value will be 2 to the power of x by 5 to the power of x whole power 2 plus 10 can be written as 5 into 2 5 into 5 whole power x equal to 1. 2 by 5 whole power x whole power 2. This 5 and this 5 get cancelled. So we have 2 by 5 whole power x equal to 1. Let us consider 2 by 5 whole power x equal to y. So y square plus y equal to 1. Now the equation looks like a quadratic equation. The value is here a equal to 1, comma b equal to 1, c equal to negative 1, y equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 1 into negative 1 by 2 into 1. So we have minus 1 plus or minus, here it is a 1 value, plus 4 within the square root by 2. Now we have two equations here. One is minus 1 plus 5 square root by 2 1. Other one is y equal to minus 1 minus 5 root by 2. Recall x by 5 whole power x equal to y. We are going to apply this y here. This negative y we are first taking. 2 by 5 whole power x equal to minus 1 minus 5 root by 2. If you see this is the positive number, this is a negative number, this is greater than 0, this is less than 0. So it is not equal. So we are not going to take this as a real number. Now we are going to take that 2 by 5 whole power x equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. This looks like positive number, so we are going to use this number. You can write this as 2 by 5 whole power x equal to square root of 5 minus 1 by 2. Take log base 2 by 5 on both sides. So log 2 by 5 base 2 by 5 whole power x equal to log square root of 5 minus 1 by 2, the base 2 by 5, log b base b in the power a equal to a. We are going to apply this here, so it will be x equal to log 5 square root minus 1 by 2 base 2 by 5. This is the x value. X equal to log base 2 by 5 square root 1 by 2.